Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading your clip into Runway and confirming resolution and frame rate. This ensures tracked motion matches output. Next, select the motion brush and pick a brush size that fits your subject, smaller for hair, larger for clothing, then set hardness and opacity to taste. Now create a single initial stroke on the subject where you want the effect to anchor. This first stroke teaches the tool what to follow, so be precise and avoid background overlap. Once the initial stroke is set, inspect tracking confidence across frames and tweak propagation settings to control how far the mask follows. Higher propagation keeps continuity, lower gives manual control. Paint additional strokes over occluded or fast-moving areas so the algorithm has more anchors. Once done, scrub the timeline to locate drift. Use the eraser to remove bleed and alternate blend modes to match texture. Make short passes rather than one long sweep, so you can correct mistakes. You finish by rendering a short test clip to confirm edges and motion look natural before committing to a full export. If you see drift or wobble, add keyframe strokes on problem frames or reduce propagation length so the brush recalibrates more often. This fixes accumulated error. Once satisfied, export the final using the codec and resolution you need, and make sure to review the full resolution file if artifacts remain. Revisit keyframes or refine brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.